Pro bono is derived from the Latin phrase pro bono publico, which means for the public good. In the legal context, pro bono refers to professional legal services provided voluntarily and without charge to individuals, communities, or organizations in need. Lawyers and law firms engage in pro bono work to contribute to the public good and to ensure access to justice for those who might not be able to afford legal representation. Key features of pro bono: legal work, voluntary service, free of charge, public interest, focus, ethical responsibility. Variety of legal services. 1. Voluntary service choice. To participate, lawyers and law firms offer their services voluntarily, choosing to take on pro bono cases in addition to their regular, paying clients. Commitment. Many law firms encourage or require their attorneys to commit a certain number of hours to pro bono work each year. 2. Free of charge. No fees. Pro bono work is provided without charge to the client. This helps ensure that individuals who cannot afford legal services still have access to representation. Expenses. While the legal services are free, some out-of-pocket expenses, such as court filing fees, may still be the client's responsibility, though these are often covered by the lawyer or firm as well. 3. Public interest. Focus. Serving the underserved. Pro bono services often focus on underserved and marginalized communities, including low-income individuals, immigrants, victims of domestic violence, and nonprofit organizations. Types of cases. Pro bono work can encompass a wide range of legal issues, including immigration, housing, family law, criminal defense, civil rights, and more. 4. Ethical responsibility. Professional duty. Many legal professionals view pro bono work as part of their ethical responsibility to contribute to society and uphold the principle of equal access to justice. Encouraged by organizations, bar associations and legal organizations often encourage or mandate a certain amount of pro bono work, and law schools may require students to complete pro bono hours as part of their education. 5. Variety of legal services. Litigation, representing clients in court in various legal matters, such as eviction defense, family law disputes, or civil rights cases. Legal advice and counseling. Providing legal advice, drafting documents, and offering counseling on various legal issues. Policy advocacy. Working on legal reform, policy advocacy, and public interest projects to bring about systemic change. Examples of pro bono work. 1. Immigration law. Asylum seekers. Representing asylum seekers in their quest for refuge and protection from persecution. Detention cases. Advocating for detained immigrants and helping them navigate complex immigration proceedings. 2. Family law. Domestic violence. Providing legal assistance to victims of domestic violence, including obtaining protective orders and representing them in family court. Custody and support. Helping clients with custody disputes, child support issues, and adoption cases. 3. Housing law. Eviction defense. Representing tenants facing eviction and helping them secure safe and stable housing. Landlord-tenant disputes. Mediating disputes between landlords and tenants to ensure fair treatment and compliance with housing laws. 4. Criminal defense. Indigent defense. Representing indigent defendants who cannot afford an attorney, ensuring their right to a fair trial. Expungement. Assisting clients with the expungement of criminal records to improve their chances of employment and housing opportunities. 5. Civil rights discrimination cases. Fighting against discrimination based on race, gender, sexuality, disability, and other protected categories. Constitutional law. Advocating for the protection of constitutional rights and freedoms.